Welcome to our new session of Learning Step where we'll be discussing about the ranking. So let's start with the ranking thing, that how we can build different analysis on the ranking. So let's start with our new measure. We'll do a new measure with the name of rank analysis. Here we go, rank analysis. And we'll use the function of RANKX. RANKX, over here we have RANKX, and we'll bring a table where we wanted to have the values plotted over there. So I'll bring the territories, and I'll go with the expression of total sales. Total sales over here, right? And it is asking me for a value. I won't give a value, not in an order over here. I'll go for a 0. Just to avoid any sort of ordering over here, ascending or descending, and now it's done. What I'll do, I'll bring the regions over here just to plot up the things. I'll bring total sales. I'll bring total sales over here, and now I'll bring the rank analysis. Let's see that what we are getting over here. Here we go. I have the rank analysis. Just to avoid this total thing, I'm going to go for the formatting, and I'll turn it off the totals. Here we go. So why I am getting a 1 against every value? Why I'm getting a 1 against every value? Because what the rank function is doing right now, during the context, the filter context over here, the filter context is asking the rank function to categorize every single value over here as a top 1 value. So this is what we are getting, but this is the reason why we are getting 1 over here. Okay, so how we can avoid this thing? Let's do our magic. Let's do our magic of DAX over here. Let's go to another scenario. I'll make another measure over here with the name of rank analysis 1, and now you'll see the magic. That is rank analysis. I'll call it as 1. Okay, I'm going to nullify all the filter context over here. So how we can do that? I'm going to use RANKX and RANKX, and doing the same thing over here. I'll call the territories, but before going towards the territories, before putting territories like this, I'll add something new over here. I'll add an all function over here, and now I'm going to put the territories. Now it will ask me that what should I be bringing over here, either a table or a column. I'll ask that I'll want a territories column over here. Now I'm going to add an expression, and that is total sales, and after that again I'm going to put the same scenario, put a 0 over here, and now I'll go with the magic. I'll go with the magic, and I'll remove this rank and replace it with this rank over here. See, I'm getting all the values over here. You can see it very well that I'm getting all the values. So what I'll do some ascending over here like this, and again I'll do it like this. See, I'm getting all the values. Based upon the rank, I'm getting all my values sorted out in an order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let's put a slicer over here. I'm going to put a slicer over here like this, and I'm going to bring all my regional values over here. I'm going to bring my regional values over here. So let's bring our region values over here. I'll go to the regions, and I'll put the regions over here like this. When I'm going to select Australia over here, it's giving me 1. I'm selecting Canada, it is giving me the same value of the ranking that I have been, what I have plotted over there. Like if I'm going to remove this thing from here, I'm getting 7 against Canada. Canada is on a standing of 7 in the ranking. This result is absolutely right. It has nothing to do with an issue that the ranking is not correct. The ranking is correct, but what I'm facing an issue over here, that I wanted to have something new out of it. And how I can get something new out of it? Like I have to introduce some new function. I'm going to go for a new measure named rank analysis 2. Like this, rank analysis 2, right? And now what I'm going to do it over here, I'm going to use the same rank function, but instead of all, I'm going to use all selected. Whichsoever is being selected should be giving a certain value over here in accordance to the selection. The rank will be given in accordance to a selection, right? So I'm going to go for the territories again, and I'm going to select the regions, and we have to work it out with our magic now. I have to close this. Let's close this and go for an expression over here. And the expression is again, it's total sales. And total sales again, I'm not going to give any order. I'm going to go for zeros. And copy and paste. It's pasted now. Good enough. And now we'll see the aftermaths of this thing. I'm going to replace it with rank analysis 2. Still the same issue, and I'm going to sort it out by ranking like this. I'm getting the same value as that of where I have used the all function, and I'm getting the same value as all selected. So there is no big difference in that. But when I'm going to go for the slicers, it is going to give me a something new value, and you can see the magic over there, right? I'm going to select Canada, right? It is selecting is as rank 1 because there is only one selection, so it's selecting as 1. And then I'm going to go for the central. It is giving it as 2 in the region, in the whole line. Now I'm going to go for something bigger out there. I'm going to select France. France was having a ranking above Canada. It was at 6th rank, right? Over here it's on the 6th rank. But right now, whatever I have selected right now, so it is giving me that this is the topmost ranking you have right now, and Canada is 2nd in line and Central is 3rd in line. So I'm going to select Germany over here as well. So now the things are a bit different now. Germany was in the all ranking, it was on rank 5, France was on 6, Canada was on 7, and Central was on 10. But according to the use of in accordance with the use of all selected function, we are getting whatsoever is being selected over here, right? So here we have the selections.
That's all for today. Keep watching Learning Steps.